Thanks, Dorian, and hi, everyone. I'm joining you today from my home office in South Minneapolis, just a couple of blocks away from the Bicycle Alliance of Minnesota's main office. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Emily Smoak, and I work at the Minnesota Department of Health. Even in this virtual environment, it's so nice to be here with all of you today, working to help make Minnesota a better place for people to be physically active. At the health department, we know that transportation decisions play a critical role in influencing people's ability to live healthy lives. Walkable, bikeable communities are healthier communities, and increasing access to active transportation is one of the most equitable ways that we can increase physical activity opportunities for everyone. Through Minnesota's Statewide Health Improvement Partnership, also known as SHIP, we are able to support community-driven solutions and expand opportunities for active living in all 87 counties. Through SHIP, we take a policy, systems, and environmental change approach to help make it easier for people to be active in their communities where they live, work, and play. By working on primary prevention, we can keep people healthy by reducing chronic disease, including obesity, and lessen future healthcare costs. This work includes supporting efforts like active transportation policy and planning, safe routes to school, bicycle-friendly community, business and university programs, and generally increasing access to walking and biking opportunities statewide. If you don't already know your local SHIP coordinator, please let us know and we'll get you their contact information. These individuals are amazing resources for advancing walking and bicycling in your local communities, and there are many of them on here today with us representing all different parts of the state. For many of us, bicycling and walking have always been tools that we've relied on for health, transportation, and joy. But as I'm sure you've noticed over the last year, as you've answered questions about where to get an old bike tuned up, or pointed directions to a walking path, or maybe even when you were negotiating the last bike tube from your local bike shop, that there are many people in our communities, and some who, for the very first time, are turning to walking and bicycling for those same reasons: health, transportation, and joy, as a way to manage during this challenging time. I know for me personally, the health benefits of being able to safely walk and bicycle in my neighborhood have never been more apparent. Here in Minnesota, we are very lucky to have a statewide network of local SHIP coordinators and partners like the Bicycle Alliance of Minnesota to help increase access to safe walking and bicycling. Together, MDH, SHIP, and the Bicycle Alliance, along with other partners such as the Minnesota Department of Transportation, we've been working to provide support and technical assistance to communities who are working on active transportation projects and planning, to host bikeable and walkable community workshops, and to work on state-level physical activity planning. You can also support building healthy communities through walking and bicycling. We encourage you to connect with your local SHIP coordinator and your local bikeman members to encourage local schools to implement safe routes to school programming, to encourage schools to offer the Walk Bike Fun pedestrian and bicycle safety curriculum, to help plan community bike rides and events like bike rodeos, to participate in Bike to School Day and Walk to School Day events in your neighborhoods, to get involved in community planning projects and ensure that walking and bicycling are prioritized, and of course, to tell your friends, family members, and local leaders about the health and equity benefits and impacts of investing in bicycling and walking. With your help, we can continue to make sure that everyone in Minnesota has the opportunity to safely walk and bicycle in their neighborhoods and communities. Thank you again for having me virtually with you here today, and thank you for making Minnesota the best place to walk and bike. Bye.